This is the new Aston Martin Vantage F1 Edition. This is an upgraded Vantage inspired by the Formula One pace car. The Vantage F1 Edition is equipped with Mercedes AMG's 4-liter twin turbocharged V8 engine that puts out 527 brake horsepower, 24 more horsepower than the standard Vantage. Aston Martin has featured several new aerodynamic body kits so that the car can have 200 kilograms more downforce during top speed than any other Vantage. As the same, this limited Vantage can launch to 62 miles per hour or 100 kilometers per hour in 3.6 seconds and reach a top speed of 314 kilometers per hour. The new Vantage F1 Edition has an option, either a coupe version or an open-top roadster version. 3 colors are available: Aston Martin Racing Green, Jet Black and Lunar White. Interior trim of Vantage F1 Edition is available with a choice of lime green, Obsidian Black, wolf grey or spicy red contrast stripe and stitching. If you like the video, don't forget to leave a like. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any uploads of the latest news in the automotive industry. I'm your Malaysian Automotive news reporter. I'll see you in the next video.